Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. Thank you to all my subscribers and returnees. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Anyway, today we're going to continue, and I think we're going to be finishing it today. And then next week we'll start the jacket. Okay, I'm doing the 3/4 length sleeve. Okay, so this is how far I have done. As I said last week, I was going to do the understitch and do the overlap from the right hand side to the left hand side, and I've gathered the bust line. Okay, so I'm gonna move the camera around, and where is it? I'm gonna join the band. And I'm gonna sew the back piece, and I'm gonna leave a space, a gap, to put the straps in towards the back. Okay, so hold on, and I'll be right back. Let me get myself together here, and I'll be right back. Okay, hold on. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, I've joined it, have it upside down, and I'm gonna stitch it. So you're gonna watch me stitch it 5/8. Let's see, okay. Don't forget to take your piece out and even out your gathering. Mine is a little bit long, so I have to come up 1/2 inch. Oh, before you stitch the band, make sure the overlap from right to left, you stitch it first before you stitch the band to it. Oops. My foot is flying down on me. I press the foot. Okay, here we go. I joined the band. Okay, and mine from the top was a little bit long, so I had to cut 1/2 inch off. So that's what you see here. I had to cut 1/2 inch off from the front empire style up. Okay, now let's stitch the back where I had to leave the space for the straps for the back. So also 5/8, and then I'm gonna iron. I went too far. I don't know if they're asking for edge stitch. Let's see if they're asking for under stitch. Yep. So let me finish the other piece. Okay, I've done one with you guys. And it's gonna be going down. And then the piece, the shoulder piece. I put a pin there. I don't want to poke myself. This is how it's gonna go after I sew the side seam. Okay, so hold on, I'll be right back. Hello there, I'm back. I've joined the midriff to the band, and then I've joined the one side seam. I'm gonna join the other seam, the other side seam with you, and then I'm gonna join the skirt to it. I've already sewn the skirt. It's simple, straightforward, and I've done it with you over and over. So now look at our center back. That's the front of the side seam. And this is the side seam with the facing. So, oh, come on. We join it at the top of the facing. I'll show it to you in a minute. Okay. What time is it? Ooh, it's 9 minutes already. Okay. So there. Oh, and with all this, I've been serging along. Okay. So I have serged the band that I joined. Okay, this is the side seam, and then this is the facing. So the facing goes, wrap it around, so the back. Okay, let me pin it. So many pins. Let me take some of the pins out. So there, the back, the facing of the back, and then when I finish, I flip it, and this is how it looks like when I'm done. Okay, when I'm done. So I'll cut you guys off because of the time, and then I'll be right back. I'll join the skirt and everything, and I'll be right back. Hold on. Hello there, I'm back. Everything is done except the zipper for the back. Zipper for the back. Skirt is joined. Hem is done. And then the straps for the back. Okay, now when I'm sewing zipper and the zipper is longer than the amount that the dress or pant or whatever is called for, this is how I shorten it. I use the same fabric to shorten it, or I just sew it over and over and over, and then use my pinkish shears to cut it on an angle on both sides. Or sometimes carefully I take the end metal and bring it up and squeeze it back in, and then I trim the bottom. Okay, so this is it for today. We finished with all the dress. Again, the back, as I said, I'm going to put the zipper in, and the front. And next week we're going to start the jacket. Now the lace fabric that I use is scalloped. Okay, it's scalloped, but I've cut one side with the finished fabric that is not scalloped. So I'm going to trim all this off, and it will finish this way. I'll finish it this way by trimming all this extra fabric at the bottom. Then I'll end up with this. Okay, so next week we'll start the jacket, as I keep repeating. We're done for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.